microfinance industries, where the latest trend that is building up is that big MFIs are ramping up their presence in the micro loan against property segment or the micro lab segment, focusing on loans of ticket size up to 15 lakh rupees. Now, this comes after the RBI relaxed the norms for priority sector lending from 75% earlier to 60% now in June. Following this, different microfinance institutions have ramped up their micro lab offering. For example, Muthoot Microfinance, which targets an 1800 crore AUM over the next 18 to 24 months, when it will contribute about 15% of the MFI's book. 1 lakh existing clients are already availing micro lab loans elsewhere. That is the market that they want to target. About 25 to 30% of that market is what they're looking at. If you talk about Fusion Finance, they are also targeting about 1000 to 1200 crore book for a micro lab, which is about 700 crore right now. And they are also looking at the micro lab as a diversification opportunity, moving beyond the current MFI cohort that they lend to. If you talk about the expansion strategy that these companies are looking at, they have ramped up hiring. For example, Fusion Finance has roped in some senior leaders for the micro lab segment. Meanwhile, Muthoot Microfinance is having more foot on the ground and hiring across regions. They're also looking at being competitive by offering lower interest rates than the market rates. However, what we learn from sources is that this is largely a big MFI driven trend, and the smaller ones are still cautious and are not as aggressive when it comes to expanding in the micro lab segment.